Hi, everybody, and welcome to Burping After Dinner. I am your burping queen. I know it's been a long time since I've been on this channel, and it's because you guys haven't subscribed to the channel and you don't leave comments. So, guess what? If you want me to come back to this channel and burp, I'm reading y'all comments. You need to subscribe to the channel, get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. You need to leave more comments in the videos and interact with me. Let me know if you enjoyed it. And I'm also going to put my Cash App down below if anybody want to show me some love. So I'm going to give y'all a little bit of burping. But if you want me to come here on a regular basis, please subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video. Leave comments down below. Okay. B this Okay. Bye. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.